Bonjour, mes amis. So today we have Beauty Fix, and this is for the month of May. And yeah, I'm really excited to see this box. It's usually so many different things that I usually get. So let's start it. So we always open it, and it has that. It has like a little manual thing that they just recently changed. It looks like this, and then so the first thing we're looking at is I'm confused because we never get all the perfume. This is by, I guess, the first time we got Toka, and I feel like I had it before. Let me smell it. It's super sweet. I really like it. It's like a romantic muse, sweet pink tulips, green apple, mango, with the floral delicacy of lily and bali on ember. Delicious. So it's just a sample though. The next thing we have is the Plumping Lip Treatment, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I like this ones because it's by Replenix. And I like these ones even though they're samples because, I mean, okay. Let's see how it feels. It's really small, really small. Look at that compared to my hand. So it says that patients instantly see the difference. It has SPF, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and it has a nice sweet taste to it. The lips are commonly forgotten when it comes to anti-aging and sun protection, since the stratum corneum is thinner on the lips than other areas of the body. The lips are the first to show some of the earliest signs of aging, losing volume, color, and definition. This multifunctional pigment-free lip treatment protects lips while helping to restore hydration, youth, and volume and color. And it tastes amazing. So yeah, it has sunscreen. Most of it is sunscreen. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read that. So that's what it tastes like, sunscreen. That's what I think it tastes like. Okay, next sample, another sample. We have Murad 2 Treat Soiner Multivitamin Infusion Oil, Hule Infusem Multivitamin. So we have that one. So let's see, it's only one little thing. Comes like that. So what does it do? Multiple benefit exponential results. 100% notice softer skin, 96 more radiant skin, 96 notice a healthier looking skin, 92 saw more skin tone, smoother texture, and increased hydration, and 85 saw more youthful skin. This is started to tingle a little bit, but it feels good. So you have to put it in AM and PM, a thin layer on the face, neck, and chest. Results after 4 weeks. But if you actually saw a result, it wouldn't be with this thing. I mean, the little sample. You had to see it with a full sample. And that would be a cool idea if the product actually did what it does in 4 weeks. You should get a sample that lasts 4 weeks so that you could rebuy in the future. That's what I think, right? Then the second thing, the fourth thing, is 30 milliliters is hypoallergenics, validated hypoallergenic, randomized, blinded, published, awarded clinical studies, Hydrobalance Smart Moisture for combination skin. So smart hydration, more intensive hydration in drying area without adding shine in oilier areas. So basically you put all over. It's a nice sample and it's heavy. It says rich hydration in parched areas, lighter in oilers, evens out creamy light plus formula. The fifth thing we have is Choose See Beauty. I get a lot of these brand. It expires next year. This one says Stem Cellular CC Desert Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and I guess they try to match it to my skin. Let's see if they did a good job. And this is how it came in, like that. It does taste like that. It comes sealed. I have like a lot of things that I have to try. Oh, this looks like it will probably be, oof, it smells so bad, so strong. I don't like something that smells like that. Doesn't it smell like grass or something? But I guess it blends really well on the skin, so it might work. I mean, I'm not really huge on things that smell near my face because then I start getting nauseous for some reason. But yeah, you have to try it. That was that. This one, the next thing is Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder, and it's only 3 grams. It's just a little powder right there. Let's see. So I guess everything has to do with like making your skin better, protecting it. Well, I think that it always is like that. I can never open these flaps. It's like not for the life of me that these flaps open. Okay, and I don't like it opening it all the way, as I mentioned before in one of my videos, because the thing is that when the seal breaks, then since it's loose powder, you make a huge mess. So I only open it like a little bit so that I'm able to take a little product at a time and not, you know. Okay, let's see this. Okay, at least this one doesn't smell. So we're good. It seems like fine. I don't think that you guys are gonna see anything because it doesn't look like anything. By the way, I feel like I have like my skin is shiny today. It's not oily, promise you. So we have a lot of things today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already, and I see a couple of more. I always get this, like it's not the first time I get it. It's Skin Centrical Discoloration Defense. So this is a good sample because I always have discoloration. You see, those are not pimples, but I used to have pimples, and then it just leaves a mark like there. It looks like I have a freckle. Kind of looks like nice. But I'm gonna start trying it. I just don't like oils. This is a serum which translates to oils, so kind of whatever. Next thing, so we have the Mega Rich Cleanser with vitamin E, Pro Vitamin B5, and Moisture Swirls, leaving skin clean and fresh and nourished. This is Peter Thomas Roth. This is a nice sample. It is, doesn't even say. I mean, what kind of sample does not say how many milliliters? Okay, so apparently it doesn't. But so you can check for yourself. Doesn't say it there. Doesn't say it on the back. I don't know. Let's see there. And not under either. So I don't know. Let's open it to see if it's open. It has like a mandarin smell to it, which is not bad. I like mandarin, and it actually looks like a little sparkle. So let's see what that's for when we get into the booklet. The next thing I see is new Moisture Instant Fix Revive Revitalize Hair World U. So it's for the hair. Lightweight leave-in, protecting the tangles, hydrates and tames hair by sealing, protecting cuticle cream smoothness, manageability, and bright shine. Packed with nourishing moisturizers, protein. Spray on damp hair prior to styling. Spray on dry hair prior to using hot tools for added clean protection. So that's nice because I've been working with my curling one, and so this is always good too. And it doesn't smell like anything. If anything, it smells like Play-Doh. I don't know why it smells like Play-Doh. Let me see. Yeah, it does smell like Play-Doh. It's crazy. Okay, so we have a bunch of samples. I'm excited to see. And we have Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer. Nice. Always. I love Dr. Brandt. I mean, I like the other stuff that we get. So, what is on for the pore minimizer? But I always like Luminizer primers. So, let's see. I think I have this. It came on one of my other boxes. But I always like primers. That stench of that lotion is still there. The lotion that I told you guys has SPF. This is cool. So it does illuminate a little bit, you see? Compared to the rest of my hand, that's illuminating. So that's, oh no, we have another thing. It's like a never-ending box, which is so exciting. Let me check. Okay, after this one, I promise there is nothing else. Okay, so this is kind of like, whoa, how do you even put that? Free pre-filled sample, not for sale. Let's see. It looks like a picture image, so weird. So this, I guess oh, it does look like a syringe. It has that. And then it called Filarina, it's called. It's like a syringe kind of thing. Let's see. Filarina. What are you? It says hyaluronic acid is the first generation of nourishing and firming products. It contains special hyaluronic acid in different forms which moisture at different levels of smooth the appearance of expression line and age wrinkles and areas of the face. How to use: unscrew the top, bottom, blah blah blah, and basically it's 1 milliliter unscrew that requires particular nourishment. Cheekbones, lips, get the gel work for 10 minutes using the palm of the hands. Let the gel work for 10 minutes. Massage gently the remaining product to completely the application. The possible formation of surface residues similar to shavings easily removed with fingers indicate an excess of product with respect to the subject near the area. Any feeling of tension of the skin is due to the product. If necessary, apply your usual day and night. So let's see. This is interesting. I mean, I feel scared that it looks like a syringe, but yeah, I'm excited with all of these samples, even though they're samples. And we also have one full-size product, which is the only one we got this time around, Dr. Fred. So let's see what it says. Look at all the little samples, baby.
Very cute.
And look, this is a syringe.
For crack?
I don't know. It's weird. But yeah. So, date night. So basically this is for date night. With sun-filled days swiftly approaching, we're feeling the warm touch of romance in the air. There's no reason why it's called summer love. Excitement, butterflies, and a wink. It's the same love. I hate reading. Yes. Okay. So let's start with the first thing. We have Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Blur imperfections for a truly perfect evening with this light reflecting primer. It unveils an evening canvas for a flawless makeup application for a different look on its own. Cool. Then the next thing we have Skin Centricals Discoloration Defense. Hot on the market as one of the Skin Centricals' newest release. The skin brightening serum is clinically proven to prevent and diminish the looks of dark spots. Talk about brighter days ahead. Filarina, that one, is curious about fillers but afraid to treat the needle. Ease into with the hyaluronic topical filler, plus its implant lasting hydration whether it's used and it's a must for drier summer weather. It's cool. So then we have the plumping lip thing here. Replenix. Plump your pout as a kiss of Prince Charming or enhance your favorite lippy or both. This treatment also visible plumps wrinkles and keeps dryness at bay. So, that totally didn't fall. Yeah. So then we have the little sample of the loose setting powder. Lasts from 9 to 5 and beyond with this top selling powder, setting powder is transfer resistant formula, offers 16-hour cosmetic wear without fading. That's nice. Murad, where is the Murad? This one. That one, Murad multivitamin infusion oil. Just like internal health, vitamins are just an essential for a complexion. This oil features 6 potent vitamins to help hydrate, brighten, and protect. Cool. So now we have this one. It says Super Skin Hydra Balance Smart Moisturizer for Combination Skin. Just because the sun goes down doesn't mean that you have UV iron active. The moisture delivers SPF 15 while smoothing your complexion with coconut oil. That's awesome. So then we have Numa for the hair. Excess heat can wreak havoc on your hair. Make sure your locks last through all the styling elements with this detailing, hemming, and detangling, hydrating, heat protecting. We have Peter's Stomach Rub, Mega Rich Body Cleanser. Feeling the lull after a long day or night? Reinvigorate your senses with this nourishing, revitalizing body wash. Trust us, you will feel like a whole new you. We have the Toka, Villetta Eau de Parfum. Whether you're rushing to post-work drinks with the girls or an impromptu rendezvous, a quick spritz of this fruity floral fragrance. It's just the trick. It's an instant. Your scent is refreshed and ready to take on your night. And then the last one is the one that smells weird. It says one of the best parts about summer days is allowing your natural radiance. The CC cream gives you just right amount of coverage while spending antioxidant sun protection. So overall, overall everything is really nice. I'm just always like, okay, I don't like that much skin things, but at the same time, it's things that we're eventually gonna need. So I hope you guys liked the video and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you back later.